Morning.
Look who's alive. Thought you'd sleep through school.
Eat up and don't forget your water bottle.
5 more minutes?
Sure, if you want to explain to your teacher why you're late. Again.
Bus comes in 20, teeth brushed, uniform ready.
Yes, Mom.
Remember when we used to drag him out of bed? Now he's a zombie.
Teenagers, at least he's dressed.
Bye! Love you!
Should we tell him his shirt's inside out?
Nah, let him figure it out.
You know, the big game's on right now.
And this is the season finale. Priorities, no double dipping.
I was framed. This is just two people not talking for 10 minutes.
It's tension.
It's torture.
Nice try, champ.
5 minutes of sports. I'll even watch the next emotional staring contest with you.
10 minutes of my show after. No complaining.
Deal. Universe hates me. I miss the days when I controlled the remote.
Those days were a myth, honey.
Good morning, sweetheart. What's all this?
Mom, it's Happy Teddy Bear Day. Mr. Snuggles needs a celebration.
Oh my goodness, you're right. How could I forget? Mr. Snuggles looks ready for a party.
We need cake, and hats, and gasps. Maybe a tiny crown.
I think we have leftover cupcakes. And I might have some ribbon we could turn into a crown.
Yes, and we can invite Floppy Bunny and Captain Penguin too.
The whole stuffed animal squad. Should we make invitations?
Yes, you write, and I'll decorate.
You're one lucky bear. You know that?
Nuh-uh, I'm the lucky one because I have him.
And I'm the luckiest because I have you. Now, let's throw this bear the best party ever.
Look, Mr. Snuggles, now you're king of the stuffed animals.
All hail King Snuggles. Should we make him a throne out of couch cushions?
Mom, we have to fix his button eye. It's hanging by a thread.
Emergency teddy surgery. Nurse, hand me the thread.
Don't worry, Mr. Snuggles. Mom's stitches are way better than Dad's.
Make a wish, Mr. Snuggles.
He wishes for more cuddles forever. Mom, do you think teddy bears get lonely when we're not hugging them?
Never. Because they hold all the love you give them right here.
Then I'll give him extra love today. And you too.
We're out of pickles. This is a lunchtime crisis.
The grocery list is on the fridge. Use your words, not the tragic sighing.
You mock the sigh? That's my love language. Thief. That was provolone artistry.
Consider it the tax for leaving dishes in the sink.
Fine, but I'm hiding the good chips now.
Too late. Truce. I'll even share if you gasp. Load the dishwasher.
Blackmail, but deal. Wait, is this a trick to make me do chores willingly?
Genius takes many forms.
Don't worry, buddy. I'll avenge you.
I heard that.
Let me guess. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle.
No, it's I saw you eat an entire pizza last night, damage control.
Look, a portion-controlled snack.
Look, gone.
Why do spoons multiply when I'm not looking?
Same reason your socks disappear. Domestic witchcraft.
Wow, the passive aggression in this lunch is palpable.
Funny, I was just thinking that about your sock drawer situation.
Stay strong, she's coming for you next.
I will turn your bread into croutons. That's exactly the face you made at our wedding when I said for better or for kale.
And yet here I am, suffering beautifully. Who took the last yogurt? Was it you?
Oops. Evidence disintegrates in 3, 2. Catch.
We both know you did that on purpose.
Prove it.
For more videos, subscribe our channel.